Hi everybody, it's Mike with Enviroscape LA, and it's a little noisy around here because look around. We're at an elementary school over in Torrance, California. So this is actually part two of what would I call this? A permaculture, a regenerative project that we're doing. We started last year with an organic garden, but you know, no system is complete without building a water feature. And so we're real big into believing that every school should have a pond, because that's what's really going to make the difference in our society, is teaching kids about growing, but no growing is complete without a pond. And what I mean by that is we're actually going to have aquaculture with this. So we're going to have goldfish, and we're going to have little creatures that are going to do their thing, going to create living water, and we're going to feed that to a vertical aquaponic system. So it's going to be really cool. We're going to keep you updated, but check it out. We're just removing grass right now, and we'll explain more as the day progresses. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.